Welcome to this Solid Edge podcast, bringing you quick and easy tips and tricks from the experts. In this third tips and tricks covering Cam Express from the Velocity series, I'm joined again by our resident Cam expert, Jim Wright, who will highlight the differences between simulation, verification and post-processing in Cam to help you see if a part can be manufactured, avoid breaking cutting tools or wrecking a machine to get the most efficient cutting strategy. Let's see how.
Let's take a look at the difference between verification, simulation, and post-processing. To do that, I've got a very simple part here that I've loaded, and it has two operations, one cavity milling operation and then a rest milling operation. First, let's look at verification. To use verification, simply choose Verify Toolpath after highlighting what you want to verify. Choose either 2D or 3D dynamic. I'll choose 2D for this purpose. And then choose the play button. Cam Express then verifies what the supposed toolpath would be at the machine tool. Now this is not a true simulation because we don't have the machine tool loaded. This is what we think the toolpath will look like at the machine tool. That brings us to simulation. Simulation is more complex than verification because it requires the movement of the machine tool itself. To do that, of course, we need the actual machine tool. I'll go to the machine tool view, double click on generic machine, and I'll retrieve a machine from the library. I'll choose the very simple machine, the 3-axis milling machine. I'll use part mount junctioning positioning. That allows me to specify how the part will be mounted onto the machine tool. My part mount junction is set. I choose OK and OK again. And the machine tool is loaded. Now I can return to the program order view, highlight the program, and begin the simulation process by choosing Simulate Machine. I'll tell Cam Express that I want to use Toolpath Simulate. That will use the actual G&M codes that go to the machine tool, rather than a simulation of what we think the toolpath will be. I'll also turn on Show 3D Material Removal. Show 3D Material Removal will allow me to see the material being removed from the part as the machining process is run. Choose the play button, and the machining process begins. Notice that you can see the material being removed from the part while the machining process occurs. Notice also that I can zoom, pan, and rotate at any point while the machining takes place. Now for post-processing. Post-processing simply involves choosing the program to be post-processed and then choosing the post-process icon. In this case, since I've already determined the machine that I want to post-process for, I'm not given a choice. I just simply use the OK button. And that's it. Post-processing, simulation, and verification in a nutshell.
Thanks for explaining, Jim. To learn more, go to siemens.com/solid edge or call your local Solid Edge channel partner.